Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be reviewing this E-Table multifunction portable battery, and this one costs roughly $120 on Amazon. And before I go into more details, I just want to take a moment to show the specs over here. If you want to read it in full detail, just pause it. And came with a user manual, pretty well written user manual. Everything's in English. Here's a list of all the contents in it. Here's the technical specs. So what's different between this portable battery and a lot of the others I reviewed is that this one has a peak current of 600 amps. And this one also has two ways of charging it, either through the AC adapter or the micro USB input. But of course, if you use the micro USB, please use one that has a 2 amp out, or else it'll take you over 10 hours to charge it. Here's battery light indicator, how to start a vehicle. So this portable battery can be used to charge your mobile phone, a laptop, or jumpstart a car. This is the AC adapter I mentioned earlier, and this one is universal, 100 to 240 volts, outputs at 15 volt, 1 amp. It also came with a car charging cable too. For the alligator clamps, what's important about this is that it's got an integrated circuit over here. The other ones I reviewed in the past, they got like a fuse to protect it against reverse polarity, but this one has an integrated circuit, so no fuse will be burnt. And here's a list of other things that it offers: short circuit protection, reverse overheating, low voltage. And on here, on IC, this part right here, there's also a factory button right over here. I'm actually not sure what this factory button is because they don't mention it inside the manual. And the rest over here, these aren't buttons, just this piece. And here's the connector head. You see how it's a little bit different. It also came with laptop connectors. Now, what you won't see on these is the ones that's for Apple computers. So for me, this isn't much of a use, but if you have a Dell, Acer, HP, Asus, for example, well, it's a good chance that if you use any of these type of adapters, you can also power it. Just juice it up using this portable battery bank. And here's the connector for the laptop heads. It also came with a little squid. For this part, I can use it to charge the 30-pin Apple devices, the micro USB devices, or Lightning. Now, this Lightning is not MFI certified. I did not see any mention of these being MFI certified. And here's a portable battery. This is a lot larger than other portable batteries I reviewed because, well, this is 18,000 milliamps. Right here, we got a power button. Just tap on the power button, and the LED lights over here illuminate. So I can get that show up, showing how much charge is left. And currently, it's full. I brought this to the office, plugged it in when I got in. 7 hours later, it was fully charged. When I charged using the 5 volt 2 amp, just make sure you're using a 2 amp. Now, since I'm on this side, to the right, this is the connector for the jumpstart cable kit. Then the input for 5 volt 2 amp for charging this device, or you can use a cigarette or the AC wall outlet I mentioned earlier. This is USB out for charging smartphones at 5 volt 1 amp, jump starter, LED status indicator, 5 volt 2.4 amp for charging like higher capacity smartphones or tablets. Here's a 12 volt 10 amp. This is more for charging like portable refrigerators, coolers for like cars, for example. And here is the 19 volt 3.5 amp for the laptop connectors I showed earlier. There's a LED flashlight. Just press and hold the power button and flash will illuminate. It's pretty, it does shine in a nice area. Just tap it again, it flashes. SOS now, 4 times it turns off. And there's really not much else listed on the sides. And on the bottom, just lists the specs again. Here's a voltmeter, and currently it's measuring my car battery at 8.8 volts. So I'm going to try to turn the vehicle. It's not starting. Bunch of clicks. Alright, now it's down to 8.7. So I'm going to take this portable jump starter. I'm going to take out the keys first, actually. And let's go plug in this jump starter here. Red to red, negative to negative. And here, I'm just going to plug it in. There's only one way to plug it in. And once it's plugged in, currently the LED will illuminate, and now it's a solid green for start on the cable here, the IC I mentioned earlier. I'm going to start my vehicle. Here's my Samsung Galaxy S7, and currently it's charging. I plugged into the 5V 2.4 amp USB port, and it'll be fully charged in 53 minutes from 50%. So it does exactly what it'll do. It jump started my car. I can charge my mobile devices and just plenty of other peripherals, outputs for it to do other things like power laptop, power a cooler. And yeah, I really like this unit. I love that it's 600 peak amps. It's a lot more powerful than a lot of the other portable jump starters I reviewed. So if you have a truck, if you have a diesel engine out there, I'll definitely recommend this. Now, this did not come with any sort of carrying bag or any carrying pouch, so that's why I'm still using the box that it came with to hold everything. Well, thanks for watching this review. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.